In this lecture, we are going to test Python dictionary. Python dictionary is a collection of stored value in value pairs, just like what is written here in the Python script. We have defined router underscore dict, which stands for dictionary, router dictionary, and this router dictionary equals value pairs between curly brackets. The value pairs here, we have interface, which is Giga Ethernet 0/0. Description, which is connected to the MPLS network. IP address, which is 192.168.3.1. Subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0. We have here the router dictionary represents an interface with a collection of values or a collection of information. Here, after we defined the router dictionary, we are going to print the router dictionary itself. Print router underscore dict. Then we print 100 stores as a separation to the next output. The next output is print number of items in the dictionary. Here we are going to print how many items we have in the dictionary. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. To print the items and or the number of items of this dictionary, we are going to use the length function, and give it router underscore dict, the dictionary. Then we are going to convert the length into string. Then we are going to print 100 stores as a separation to the next output. The next output is to define variable interface underscore IP to get the value of the IP address in the dictionary. The value of the IP address in the dictionary is 192.168.3.1. Then we are going to print interface IP address is colon space then the variable interface IP. Let's test this Python script. Python, then the file name dictionary. We have printed the entire dictionary, interface, Giga Ethernet, then the description, then the IP address and subnet mask. Then we have printed number of items in the dictionary equals 4 as we expected in the script. Finally, interface IP address is 192.168.3.1. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope it can add a good value to you.